One job that needs doing is I need to run an M12 by 1.25 tap through here. I didn't have a 12 by 1.25 tap, and I know for a fact that the bolt that holds the foot pegs on is not immediately gaining traction there, so I'm going to do that now to save myself stripping a thread out, because that would be a really awkward one to have to do. This is a cheap eBay purchase. It was a plug and a taper tap, and I think the whole thing cost me about, it was less than £4 for the set. Now this particular one is probably going to need the plug, because this is a blind hole at this end. I'm going to have to use the plug. I'm starting it by hand because I don't want to accidentally over torque it using the bar. That feels like it's started now. Hopefully. Good. There's a lot of crud in there, a lot of old crud. So it turns out it isn't a blind hole, it's just full of crap, which I'm going to try and catch most of it. Oh, that didn't work well. So that, I don't know if you can see that, but that's all rust and dirt that has been through the whole powder coating system and still didn't come out. Good or bad, depending on which way you look at it. Blob of grease. Let's just see if this fits. Oh yeah. Yep. That screws in nicely. Now I'm fitting the battery box mostly because I'm a bit stuck for things to do at the moment. Mostly because I am waiting for the handlebars to finish drying after a couple of coats of gloss black that have gone on there. I should really run a tap through this, or should have run a tap through this. May still have to run a tap through this. My M6 tap is seeing quite a lot of action on this build, mostly just to clean out the threads to allow for bolts to go through. Because I think whatever they do in the powder coating system, which I think is the shot blasting, or possibly the priming, it causes the threads to just need these taps to go through. And as I think I said in a previous video, I would highly recommend getting a an inexpensive set of taps and dies. Definitely M6, M8, M10 and M12, and even the larger M12 is a fine pitch thread of 1.25. Yeah, this is definitely tight. That was unexpected. Right. I have snapped the die in the... That's annoying because that's my most regularly used, as I was just saying, my most regularly used tap. See how that copes with one of these. Okay, so the thread's intact. That's good. That's something. Right, I guess I need to buy a new M6 tap. If I need a tool, I will buy a cheap one. And if I never use it again, then I won't replace it. But if I buy a cheap tool and I use it a lot, and then I break it, I'll invest in a more expensive one. So I will look for a good quality M6 tap to replace that one, as I did seem to use that an awful lot, and as I'm likely to have another project looming for next year and more holes to tap in this machine, I think it's worth investing in a decent quality one. I've got a washer up behind this, which I don't think it had originally, but I'm trying to protect some of the powder coating, so I'm trying to use washers where possible. Just want to get it lined up so it doesn't look skew-whiff when it's tight, and that didn't work. Oh well, I had a go, I attempted it. There we go, that's the battery box fitted with a little bit of drama.